Hey, this is James, and today I'm going to show you how to create a question and answer video so you can drive profitable YouTube traffic. And we'll start right now. Cue the intro. A question and answer video is just as its name implies. It's a video that answers a question. Millions of people are going on YouTube and Google looking for answers, and this represents a huge traffic opportunity for you to take advantage of. Stick around until the end because I'll show you how you can find the best questions to answer. You're probably wondering what makes question and answer videos so effective at generating traffic. Think about it. Most people look to Google for answers before making any purchase. The buying process is made up of multiple stages, and most people will have questions along the way. Here's an example. Let's say you own a window furnishings business. At the beginning of the buying process, your customer is going to have questions like, do roller blinds keep heat in? What type of blinds are best? Do blackout blinds work? How many types of blinds are there? In the next stage, they decide to buy, but now they're asking more specific questions like, which fabric is best? What should my blinds match? Should I install my own blinds? How do I measure for blinds? Where do I shop for blinds? Lastly, when they've bought the blinds, they may have questions like, how do I clean the blind? How often should I clean the blind? How do I replace blind chains? In short, creating videos that answer your target audience's most common questions will position you as an expert, which in turn will lead to traffic. A typical question and answer video is made up of 5 parts. Introduce yourself, state the question, explain the answer, conclusion, call to action. The first thing you want to do in your Q&A video is establish trust and authority with your audience. If you want your viewers to believe your answer, then you need to show them you have the credibility to give it. Fortunately, this is pretty easy to achieve. For example, if you're the owner and or affiliate of the business that uses the product you're selling, or you work in the industry, then you'll have all of the authority you'll need. Here's an example of introducing yourself. Hey, Johnny here with Budget Blinds R Us, where we've been installing blinds in Canadian homes for over 75 years. After introducing yourself, state the question in a conversational tone as it's most commonly asked. Here's a quick example of stating the question. One of the most common questions people ask when looking for new blinds is, how do I mount a roller blind? So in this video, I'll show you the 3 numbers you need to check in order to get a perfect fitting blind for your window. From there, you answer the question, which will make up the bulk of the content in the video. Once you've provided a sufficient answer to the question, it's time to wrap things up. I recommend doing a quick recap on the key points of your answer. Last but not least, it's time to tell your audience what to do next. Ideally, this step should move them closer in developing their relationship with you and bring them closer to becoming a customer. Here's an example. If you enjoyed this video, then you may like to check out our free guide, The Top 10 Things You Should Know Before You Buy Blind. You can download it for free from our website, www.yourwebsite.com. And there you have it, the blueprint to creating a question and answer video. As a special thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get access to a tool that will help you find the best questions to answer. The tool is called Question Samurai. And for only $3, you can get access to it. Go to www.jameswrittenhouse.com/question-samurai to get access to your tool. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can be part of the notification squad. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like and share this video so other people can get value from it. This is James Writtenhouse signing off. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.